Hello, and welcome to another edition of Office Systems Tech Tips.
This is how you add a fax number to your frequent fax number address book. Choose fax. And you type in your fax number. And you hit the program destination button. And then click OK. It prompts you to put a name in. And hit OK. And OK again. So, go back out, go into the fax, and the fax number is saved here.
Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to see more tech tips, please visit our YouTube channel or visit us at officesystemstx.com.